What's up, guys? You might have noticed the spaghetti gun in my hands. That's because today we decided to have a little bit of fun with the high-speed camera. We've got a big box of buckshot, double aught to be exact, 9 pellets.
And sunscreen.
And sunscreen. We've got the old high-speed camera out with Miles at the helm. And we've got a pretty wide assortment of fruits and other things that would look kind of cool when we shoot them, like this. Good, Miles? Missed, but you get the picture. Double aught buck, fruit, explosions. Enjoy. I'll put the other ones back here.
Let's go with the papaya. Everybody likes papaya, I think.
I'm gonna have to.
I like papaya, so that means everybody does. That checks out, right?
Math checks out.
Math checks out.
We've also got squash.
I love you.
We've also got squash, Dr. Thunder, and Mountain Lightning.
Also, we are not sponsored by Dr. Thunder in any way.
Yeah, or squash.
Squash. No, actually Squash did sponsor us.
They did.
Yeah. We're about to go show this papaya some love. I'm gonna use the Remington 870 this time. Tactical. Gotta add that in because they did. That's what they called it. Everybody ready? We're not ready yet. Please hold.
Stand by.
All right, we're ready.
Wait. Get lower. Get on level with it.
Oh yeah, shoot it end to end.
Oh yeah. Are we ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Oh, that didn't blow up as much as I thought it would.
I got hit in the neck by something.
You just got fragged by a papaya.
Yeah, it's definitely a papaya.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, look at her opened up.
It went just right down it.
Those are the buckshot.
That really does.
Papaya has buckshot?
Yeah. Don't you know how buckshot is made? Ooh, this is sticky.
Oh, he just ate that, folks.
I don't like papaya.
You're not supposed to eat the buckshot.
Yeah, you don't like buckshot is what you meant to say.
So I heard today we're shooting spaghetti. Is that not what we're doing? Spray paint.
Oh, yeah.
Spray paint.
Common mistake.
Red?
Red paint.
Red?
Yeah.
Red.
All right.
We're ready.
Well, let me get on this side.
Am I too close?
Don't get in the way of the camera.
Oh. Okay. Closer or further?
No, you're good.
Okay.
All right, let's see how he does.
Here we go.
Oh. Is there any audio?
Where'd it go? I think I'm clean.
I think you're good. There's nothing on the vanilla, but man. And before anyone comments, we brought a bunch of trash bags. We're gonna clean all this up, so chill. Anyway, look, oh, they're bent, the nails that we put in there.
Yeah.
Wow, that was cool though. It has kind of a concussion.
That's some
when
real
you shoot
American horsepower right there.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Dude,
Italian.
The old Benelli M4 just delivers.
What's next?
We've got two Dr. Thunder's TM. I'm gonna shoot from back here because Dr. Thunder is liquid. Ready, Miles?
Math checks out.
I was not very balanced for that. Got him though.
Safe. Gun safe. Always shoot from a non-contact.
Yeah.
Well, here's one of them.
Yeah, that definitely did it. Turns out buckshot is super effective.
Okay, we have these mini hockey pucks that we found, they're really thin. I think it's like air hockey, but they're called Firebird 65 Bio, so we'll see what happens. I used to love air hockey when I was a kid, but I never thought that like one of the air hockey pucks would do much if I shot it with shotgun, but we'll see. And here we go. Oh!
Wow.
Did that explode?
That was a loud hockey puck.
That was,
Someone call Wayne Gretzky.
that was cool. Fan of that, so maybe we'll do one of those again with something else.
Yeah. Okay, so we just shot one of these Firebird things and it was really cool. And they have a little piece of adhesive on the back, so we're gonna see what it does to a watermelon. But we're not shooting with the Benelli because we want to see what the explosive will do. So we've got some subs loaded up into the M&P. So let's go do some science. All right, see if I can hit it. Yeah, that worked.
Those things are awesome. We should buy more of those.
That was loud. That was cool. Wow, yeah, look at all these. I mean, the other one was a previous watermelon, but still, that went everywhere. So we've got a piece over here. Oh, I thought that was a piece for a second. That's the papaya that we threw. But yeah, there's a chunk over there. There's probably smaller pieces everywhere else, like right there. That was cool. Those are surprisingly big for how small they are. But yeah, that was fun. And it's off safe.
What the heck is this thing?
You shooting it from that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just so I'm shooting in the mountain.
Yo, Miles, what is this?
This is a jackfruit. I've actually wanted to do this for quite a while, and we're finally doing it. This is actually a small one.
All right, well,
All right.
is it shotgun proof? Am I good here, Miles? Or Sawyer? Okay.
Yep. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
That's kind of what we expected.
Is it bulletproof?
These things are tough, dude.
It's arguably a little bit bulletproof. We have to watch the high speed and see how many pellets came out.
Should we shoot it again or open it up? Because that's like what they do on.
I don't know.
Okay, there's good. Okay, we got the jackfruit up again because it absorbed a lot more than we thought.
Yeah, that thing was tough.
It's way tough. But so we're gonna shoot it a lot closer and more broadside than end to end.
Yeah. Hopefully this one's a little more exciting.
All right, Colin.
Not really.
That thing just eats it.
It's just,
I don't. It must not have as much like fluid on the inside.
yeah, well, and this outer shell is super stiff.
Yeah, it has like a really thick rind. Oh well.
Well, you know, jackfruits, although cool, not fun to shoot.
All right, so to finish off the jackfruit, we're gonna stick one of those Firebird targets in it. That should give us a more spectacular detonation like the rest of the fruits. All right.
Okay.
Need a way to get it in there like,
Ooh, that's a good spot.
What is that?
There's garlic in here.
Big old garlic cloves. Is that the fruit? Try it.
Miles.
You're supposed to eat it fresh. Is that one of the seeds or is that the fruit?
I think it's a seed.
Interesting.
Miles, catch this. It's like a, for real, like a garlic.
That's a good throw.
Okay,
All right.
we got to decide how to put this.
We want it facing towards us like this.
Okay.
So pry it open, and I'll try and set it in there so I can still see it when I shoot it with the MP.
It just explodes right now.
Okay, that should do it. Now we just need it to sit towards us.
All right, you ready?
Okay, quickly, take the camera.
Okay, it's in the jackfruit.
Should have had the mag loaded. All right, you ready, Miles?
All of us.
All right, load it
Okay.
up.
If we die, we die. All right, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, other camera?
Ready?
Where's Colin? Oh, he's peeing. All right.
Oh!
That did it. That was cool.
We defeated the jackfruit.
All right, let's check this out. Oh yeah, peeled it right open.
Yeah, that did it for sure.
And look, there's another garlic clove.
These have to be the fruits.
So this is how you eat it. You have to use a device.
They kind of smell weird. Or that might be the explosives.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that smells pretty chemically.
Here we go.
This is a weird texture. I don't think this is ripe. Every picture I've seen, it's more yellow than this.
That's lead you're eating.
Nope, this is a solid copper bullet.
All right, everybody take a bite.
Is it really?
Should I
All
shoot
right,
it from
next
this
up.
direction?
I think you should be on this side.
Okay.
Antelope.
Cantaloupe, the old war crime stick. Yeah. Ready, Miles? This one's gonna be
Wait,
close.
did he say yes or no?
He said yes.
Okay.
Ready? I might get messy.
Oh!
That did it. I think I've said that for everyone. Sorry, guys.
Oh, Miles got hit. Cameraman down.
This chunk hit me right in the cheek and then landed in my lap.
You have to eat it now. Oh, we're having focus issues.
Wow.
Alrighty, folks. We got a coconut here. Now, I was unaware of this until just now, but apparently you can get wet coconuts and dry coconuts. This is a wet one.
What does that even mean?
Maybe juice or no juice?
So we
Water?
like the juicy ones.
Yeah,
We like the wet ones.
yeah, wet. Wet is better. Down here where it's better. Something.
Okay, stand right where I'm standing. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Okay. Shall we?
We shall. Whoa! Jeez.
That was awesome.
I got
as
hit.
you
It
can
felt
see,
like
we
an
no longer
airsoft
have
BB.
a coconut. It's gone completely. I don't know where. Maybe to Nevada.
There's got to be pieces somewhere.
What is this? Where did this come from? I saw a big chunk land over there. Like literally 30 yards over there. So.
All right, well, if we find any, we'll let you know. Okay, so I lived in Peru one time and we ate plantains down there, and I've never seen one this big. Not a big fan, so we're just gonna try to split her right open. Right down the middle. So, am I good here, pretty much?
Yeah.
Are we, everybody good to go? I feel like I'm too close.
I feel like I'm too close.
Okay, all right, are we ready?
Whoa!
Dude, it's all over Colin's car.
Oh no!
Look at that. Look at these pieces right there. Right there. Oh, look at this piece in the door.
I'm so sorry, Colin.
Look at that.
That's
Is there any on
gross.
my car? Oh, yep, there's a chunk, there's a little piece right there. It's all over my wheel.
Dude, sorry.
That's cool.
Oh,
there's
man.
pieces all over the place.
So,
Of all the things I thought that were going to explode in my car, I didn't think it would be that.
turns out Benelli is still undefeated. Plantains really suck.
Yeah, I think we can all agree on that.
We should go get another one of those later.
They're all over, they're just on the roof of your car. Oh, man.
Okay.
Oh.
Say what you're gonna do.
Okay, so we have one last fruit. It's cantaloupe. And I have this Sabati 6.5 that I just got suppressed, so I'm excited about it, and I wanted to shoot it with that, hoping it'll be cool in slow-mo. We all know it will be. The only trick is, do I hit it? Did I get it?
Yeah, there was like a nice cloud.
All right. That was pretty sick. I don't think anything's left of that.
No, that was pretty much vaporized. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We really enjoyed making it. As always, drop some comments and some suggestions on what else we should film with the high-speed camera. It's always a good time breaking that out. Gets a really good perspective on the devastating effects of guns and why we love them so much.
And fruit.
And fruit, yeah. Yeah, it turns out fruit does not stand a chance against shotguns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.